Welcome to Bruce Lee vs. Wild, the ultimate jungle fury battles. Have you ever wondered how Bruce Lee, the legendary martial artist, would fare in the wild facing nature's fiercest predators? Today we're diving into an exhilarating hypothetical showdown that will leave you on the edge of your seat. Get ready for intense action, thrilling encounters, and a display of unmatched skills as Bruce Lee takes on the wild. 1. Introduction to Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee, the name itself, is synonymous with martial arts mastery. Born in San Francisco and raised in Hong Kong, Lee revolutionized martial arts with his unique style Jeet Kune. His philosophy emphasized adaptability, speed, and precision. But how would these skills translate into survival in the wild? Let's find out. 2. Entering the jungle. Our journey begins in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Dense foliage, treacherous terrain, and hidden dangers lurk at every corner. As Bruce steps into this untamed wilderness, he is immediately alert, every sense heightened. The jungle is alive with the sounds of wildlife, a true test for our martial arts legend. 3. First encounter. The jaguar. The first challenge appears swiftly and silently. A jaguar, the apex predator of the Amazon. Known for its strength and stealth, the jaguar is a formidable opponent. Bruce adopts his fighting stance, his eyes locked on the predator. The jaguar lunges, but Bruce's lightning-fast reflexes kick in. A flurry of precise kicks and punches disorients the beast. Using his agility, Bruce outmaneuvers the jaguar, demonstrating that human ingenuity and martial prowess can match nature's raw power. 4. Navigating natural obstacles. The jungle isn't just about predators. It's also about survival. Bruce encounters raging rivers, towering trees, and treacherous quicksand. With each obstacle, he showcases his adaptability. Climbing trees with the grace of a monkey, crossing rivers with makeshift rafts, and using his martial arts training to stay calm and strategic, Bruce's journey is a masterclass in survival skills. Bruce Lee vs. Wild, an epic tale of man versus nature, showcasing the incredible abilities of a martial arts legend. While this adventure is hypothetical, it's a testament to Bruce Lee's enduring legacy. His philosophy and skills continue to inspire and captivate us. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic adventures and explorations.